So this is just the recap for live stream 231. As you can see, we've got a losing day. So today we've continued to try to use our momentum strategy. And what I've decided to do midway through the session was to change to a different strategy. But let's talk about through the trades. On the right hand side of the screen, we can see the breakdown of the P&L across instruments. Three primary instruments we're looking at is ES, NQ, and gold. You can see we're positive in gold, negative in NQ, and negative in ES. NQ is responsible for the majority of the losses today. Also, NQ is the most volatile instrument that we do take the most risk on. Some of the changes I did make today included limiting the amount of contracts I did trade. So now the maximum is 25. No longer going to 50 due to the volatility, the big drawdowns, seeing P&L blowing up day after day. So keeping it down at 25 contracts. So we'll look across our NQ trade. Let's look across, our NQ trade. Leave on a positive note. So let's see. We're here pretty early on. Market seemed bullish. Took a couple of long trades. Took a long trade there. It worked out. This is where I had issues. The market turned around, but the strategy was still saying to go long. So I kept on taking long trades, giving back the profits I did make. All through here, long trades that failed. Giving back the profits. This one made a fairly big loss there. Eventually decided to switch long with this new strategy. Target was hit there. Same scenario over on ES. Went long early on while the market seemed to be having momentum to the upside. Close a trade early here, would have been stopped out. Didn't like the fact that we had this strong bullish candle. Prices didn't follow through, instead it turned around, so I decided to get out, would have been stopped out. Went long. Closed it here. Again, would have been stopped out, went long. I think I was stopped out. Yep, stopped out there. This was on the other side. So still trying to chase the momentum to the upside, but kept on going long. Market kept on pulling back. What do we do here? Yep, more longs. That failed. Eventually, I believe I did a switch here. Yes, there was a switch. Changed the strategy right here. Went short. Target was hit all the way down there. Was in that trade for a fairly long time. And more recently, do I believe I took a long? Took a long. And it also hit target on the new strat. Over on gold. Pretty bit of a mixed bag as well. Followed momentum to the upside. Paid on these long trades here. Actually got target there, that's good. On this move back down, it's taking long trades and paying a fairly heavy price for the long trades as the market turned around. Eventually switched to shorts and managed to pick up some profits through here. I think I closed this one early. Didn't like the price action, saw price come into this low. Came up, would have hit stop anyway, but closed it a bit early, so did save some P&L. Switched long after getting a signal. I didn't get a signal here. I went long because of what happened through here. So you could say this is a bit of a revenge trade through here. Managed to pick up the target. So we lost 2.5, picked up about 4 there before commissions. And more recently, I believe that was it. What trade is this? So this is a true setup. Went long, target was hit. And with that, I decided to end the day being down. Those are pretty much the trades. With this new strategy, there's going to be a lot less trades. But I'm hoping that I do get a more consistent outcome from it. As we can see, here's the equity curve. Started the day, was up 27 at the highs. Drew down minus 30. So we've got like a 57 minus 57 swing from the highs to the low. From being down 30, I'm going to end the day around about being down 14, which doesn't seem too bad in light of the large losses I've taken recently. Over on the summary page, you've got negative profit factor, gross gains, gross losses, minus 14. Accuracy is about 50%, kind of expected that. Average win to average loss, I believe some of this is down to a couple of break-even trades that did bring down the average size of the losing trades. There were only small losses there. Plus I did cut some of the trades early. Average largest win to largest loss, near 1-to-1. Ideally would like to see this reversed a little bit where the largest wins outsize the largest losses. Time in the market about 12 minutes. So seems about okay, but with this new strategy I expect this to be much larger. Expect to be much larger in terms of time spent in the market. The average win and average loss will also be larger. And that pretty much covers everything. So what I'll do is I will, as usual, I will add to the bottom right hand side of the screen. What I'll do is I'll add the card of the live stream. So if you want to watch some of it back, I believe it's about 4 hours. So you could watch it 2 times speed or skip through it, see what the trades were, see what my justifications were for taking those trades. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.